Hi lovelies, so before we get into the tutorial today, I am just going through this little temu haul. You might have seen a couple of the molds from my silicone rose video. So we got this little stamping set and then all these cute little silicone molds that I've never used before until the other day. So these ones have got leaves, I think. So I don't know I don't know in which order I will be uploading these videos. If the silicone rose video has gone first, then you will have seen me use a couple of these. If not, stay tuned. I'll show you which sort of works best, what gel works best in them. And they've got those cute little mushrooms. And then I think these are the flowers, possibly tulips and possibly roses as well. Yeah, tulips, I think. And then here is the roses. And another little stamping, nail stamping. I do love nail stamping. There was a time where I couldn't do it very well at all. These are so cute, like the little sort of starry night stamps. Some sunshine, some moons, some nail plates, nail stamping plates, love heart ones, roses, all that jazz. I forgot I had those the other day when I was making a Beauty and the Beast set. How silly of me. Some dinosaur stickers because my little boy loves making dinosaur noises and he's only 7 months old, so I thought, how cute. The little polar bears and penguins on that stamping plate, I think. More hearts and jazzy stuff. Yeah, there was a time where I couldn't nail stamp at all. And then suddenly it just was fine. Like every single time it's fine. There might be the odd time where like half of it doesn't pick up and you're like, damn. But it is really easy. I've done quite a few videos where I've done stamping. That's like a little marbly set sort of thing. More flowery stuff. Feathers, I think that one. A bit of plaid tartan with flowers as well. A little holiday set because I'm going to do some holiday nails soon. Because I need to do all these nails for me for the rest of the year before I go back to work, because then I will have no more time because I will have a little boy at home and working full time. So here we go. Here I'm using the cat eye gel. It's not the best gel to have used because it actually took away all the colour, but this is how you do the cat eye sort of look for the bow. I would make sure you use a good colour cat eye gel, like really pigmented. So you just want to do each bit of the bow separately. Faff about with the magnet, cure it. It's a little bit faffy, a little bit time consuming, but it's how you're going to get the different pieces of the bow to look velvety, cat-eye, however you want to describe it. Because for me, I'm using this bloody colour. I thought it was going to be a lovely pink, but no, it took it to like a grey colour, so then I've gone over it at the end with a jelly polish to make it pink, which obviously you don't want to do that. Don't make my mistakes, but these are what these videos are for. So we're doing each bit of the bow separately. So we're going to do the top of this part of the bow, faff about with the magnets. Woo! And then we're going to do the bottom part. Just really simple shapes. It's not like faffy as in hard. It's just faffy as in like you've got a lot of bits to do and then cure in between. I mean, what might be good is like maybe if you had like a handheld little torch to cure rather than having to put it in the lamp each time. It obviously depends if you're doing this on clients or press on nails or whatnot. So then we're just doing the little ribbons that come down from the bottom of the bow. Make sure you use a thin enough brush to get the detail that you want, because I sort of blobbed that on there. I think I got annoyed and did them both at the same time, but don't do that. Do them separately for the best sort of look. So now, yeah, as you can see, I am now going over it with a jelly polish, but too much so that you can't even bloody see the sodding cat eye effect underneath. So I'm having to wipe off some from that. And then don't worry, I clean up where I've gone out of the lines. So yeah, I'm just covering that. I'm hoping this sort of comes out all right and you don't think, oh, why the hell is she bloody bothered uploading this? What a load of crap. But it's just because I want to talk to people. Very lonely at the minute on maternity leave. I just want to talk to people. Just want to talk to you. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching my little rambly tutorial temu haul. I hope you have seen how it is to do this design. See, it does look good in the end. Not quite as cat-eye as I would have liked. Make sure you pick a good polish. Don't be a me. We're just going to top coat it then, and then all finished. If you haven't already, give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. The videos aren't all like these. I do have some good tutorials, I promise. But thanks so much for watching. Bye.